The Owen James Report.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. In what's no doubt a major bid to court customers, win back mobile market share and thus improve the bottom line, Lime today announced dramatic cuts in mobile rates effective June 15. Here's Lime's President Gary Sinclair with the announcement of rate cuts of up to 75%.
It is with a great sense of pride that I announce our new, incredibly low one rate of $2.99 per minute for both prepaid on-net and international calls to the USA, Canada, and UK landlines. This rate will be effective tomorrow, June 15th. We've done our homework, we've listened to the voice of the customer, and we know that this is a truly groundbreaking move for the entire industry.
Sinclair announced a prepaid and postpaid rate of $1.99 per minute on Lime's own network and $6.99 per minute for mobile calls from Lime to Digicel. Lime's initiative comes at a time when, though its earnings before income tax depreciation and amortization is up 40%, the net numbers are down dramatically, and Gary Sinclair and his team are obviously staking their reputation that initiatives announced today will reverse poor results in the shortest possible time.
We don't have a lot of time to turn Lime around. The move we made in impairing assets gives us a base, I think, and a foundation from which to propel ourselves going forward.
Jamaicans can expect a temporary increase in inflation as a result of the new tax measures. That's the word from Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Brian Winter, at a post-budget briefing today.
Now, most of the increase is expected in the June quarter we're in right now, with inflation projected to be in the range of 3 to 5% for this quarter. Inflation will slow down in the subsequent quarters, reflecting a sharp return to normal levels as the inflationary impulses from the tax measures subside.
The central bank governor projects inflation within a band of 2.5% to 3.5% in the September quarter and a return to normality in the following quarter. On the foreign exchange market, the benchmark American dollar as well as the Canadian dollar strengthened against the Jamaican currency, whilst the British pound weakened. The greenback gained 1 Jamaican cent, closing at an average selling rate of $88.63, whilst the Canadian dollar jumped 72 cents Jamaican to close at $86.89. However, sterling was down 31 cents, closing at an average selling rate of $137.23. Finally, losses by key financial stocks such as JMMB, NCB and Scotia Group triggered declines in the Jamaican stock market indices today. The main JC index fell by 472 points or 0.5%. And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by